Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 easy lines essay on how I spent my time during lockdown. So let's get started with today's video. Lockdown was the emergency situation occurred due to corona pandemic. During lockdown, I get up early in the morning. After finishing my morning routine, I attended my online classes. Sometimes I helped my mother in the kitchen and we all enjoyed delicious dishes made by her. I played indoor games with my brother like Ludo, chess, cards, etc. I made many drawings and played computer games too. Sometimes I got bored and used to read books like Harry Potter, Cinderella, etc. to pass my time. I completed my homework and school projects. I worked on my health by doing exercise and yoga. This lockdown was my first experience when I had to stay at home for a long period. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful for you, then please like and share my video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye and take care, and now I will meet you in my next video.